Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, if you make a change on your YouTube video and re-upload it, will it affect the views? So we actually get this question very frequently, and people are always wondering, if they upload a video and it's already been released to the public, they, realize that there's something wrong with it, they need to make a change, make an edit, and then they want to re-upload that same video, take down the original, and put another one on. Will it affect the views? And the answer is yes. Let's go with this video, for example, my business partner Arit did an Etsy video. Let's say there was something wrong in there. There was like some glitch or something that happened in the middle of it, and I want to take it down and, fix that glitch and then re-upload it. If I do anything to take the video down, then it is going to affect the views, and you are going to lose all the views if you delete the video. A lot of people think that, oh, if I'm uploading the exact same video again, the stats are all going to be the same, and that's not the case. So unfortunately, if you do want to make a change and you take the video down and you delete it and then you re-upload it, you will have lost those views. So just wanted to create a video on that and share that answer with you guys because I get that question a lot, and I'm going to use this video to share with others. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.